Okay. I'm pretty sure that I did switch it off. But guys, I just want to make sure nothing is happening here. Nothing is happening here. Nothing. 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 Okay. We're okay. Now we're gonna put this guy through the hole here, which I originally made a couple of days ago already, into the garage. See how I overkilled it. Instead of probably about 15 meters. Let's go on the other side quickly into the garage. Breaker is off. Main breaker is on. We have electricity. But this one is. Oh, I just need this. Gauges this guy here. So it's gonna come from the bottom. From the bottom. Already removed this insulation. Electricity is off. So again, this thing. This is only demonstration, so it's not gonna be a permanent solution. Actually, forget about the whole thing around here. I'm just gonna do the neutral. Neutral goes to this guy here. White is neutral. Yeah, the reason I bought a range or stove, because it comes with the 4 leads, and 4 leads probably might be necessary for my electric car charger. So that's the bottom, that's white. These two guys can go on either side. So this one can be black one, for example. And the right one can be red. Doesn't matter because they are AC alternating current. They both phases and neutral, because it has a combination of 220 and 110 volts. If it's only for the welding, 220 or 40, then it would be carrying only, this one goes into the ground. So this one goes around here. I'm not gonna do it now, I just want to show how it works. So this goes to this, and this goes together. Because of the time, and because it's only a temporary solution, I'm just gonna leave it like this. So again, neutral is the bottom one. When you look at it like this, sorry, ground goes on this. Okay. That's the ground. Ground goes on this one here. Ground goes on this one here. Yeah. Ground goes on this one here. It's really tight wires. Really tight. That's it. Into this thing here, 6 inches minimum. You can leave 8, 7, 8, 9, whatever, but 6 is minimum. But probably I'm not gonna end up doing this. I'm gonna end up doing like here and then outside one, armor one. This is connected. So what did we say? Ground, neutral, and two phase. Really bad. Huh. Well, the bottom one is this one. This one looks like it's this one. This one is this one, this one is this one, this one is... Well, nothing's gonna happen because I'm just gonna flip it, go downstairs and flip the switch. Flip the breaker, don't touch anything. I flip the breaker on position and now we should be measuring voltage here. Okay, voltage AC. Okay, that should be like this. These two guys should be 240 volts. $220, 247. No, that's not right. I need to remove these guys. $248 volt. And 200. That's so loose. Oh, I have to plug it all the way in. $247 volts. This should be 120, 124, and this should be 124. That works. Finally, we did it. But as I said, I'm gonna go and kill it again. Let's see what's going on here.
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah. It's all good, all good, all good. All good. And I'm gonna kill it. Okay. That's it for now. Tomorrow I'm gonna continue. And tomorrow I'm gonna make it all nice. Thanks for watching. It's the first time, but it's annoying and but I wanna finish it nicely. Thanks for watching. See you next time.